What's going on, you guys? Jacob Hartley here. It's been a while since I've done a video. I've been super busy remodeling the home, doing a lot of really cool and crazy projects. Just had a brand new son that was born yesterday, and he's doing very well. Mom's doing very well, and I just couldn't be happier. And if you notice, I look a little bit different. If you've seen any of my other videos, you'll see that I haven't had a beard before. But anyways, I just wanted to shoot a video real quick, you guys. Let you know that everything's going really great, and Goringless is still rocking. Just kind of a background about Goringless. So a little over 3 years ago, Goringless launched the first program, which was called Goringless. And it was a $297 program. All it had was scraper tools that would scrape leads for you, and you could send a ringless voicemail. And then about a year later, they came out with Goringless Extreme. And what that did was they had more scraper tools. So instead of like 4 or 5, they added more scraper tools. They added a call center, they added PayPal financing, and so they improved upon the system, and they started charging $497. And that was going awesome. People were jumping in it right and left. Really loved the system. And then the number one request that everybody, that we were getting from everyone was they wanted the ability to do SMS marketing along with the ringless voicemail. So I talked with the owners, and sure enough, they were able to develop the ability to send an automatic text, an SMS message, to the lead after they've gotten the voicemail, which was awesome because everybody's on their cell phones, you guys. So that's why ringless voicemail works so good in the beginning, is because people are on their cell phone, and then when they listen to the voicemail, they text the word go back to the number on the caller ID, and then they get a text message right on their phone that has the link to your website. What's cool about that is you can have it go to any website. It doesn't matter what it is. So you could send someone to a lead capture page, capture their email address. You could send them to a Facebook page, a YouTube video, whatever. And that's what it's designed to do, is to, number one, find leads for you. And then number two, have the ability to contact those leads, and then you can send them anywhere you want to. I don't know of any other system that can legally do that. This is 100% legal to do with the FCC, because with ringless voicemail, there's no phone call delivered. It's just a delivered voicemail. The phone doesn't ring, and so they're not interrupted throughout their day. They don't get charged for it. And it's just a beautiful way to get your message to thousands of people. You know, we had the elections recently, and I was getting ringless voicemails from a lot of the people that were running for office. So the government has, people running for office have gotten a hold of it. So you can tell that this technology is something that people love. It works, or else they wouldn't be using it. Here I am 3 years, a little more than 3 years later, still using it, and people are jumping on it. In fact, everybody that I talk about this technology to, they want to get their hands on it. They're like, heck yeah, sign me up, I'm in. So anyways, you guys, I just kind of want to give you an update, let you know what's going on with me. I still do Goringless full-time for a living right now, and it's just been better than ever. It's just been so much fun, and we're looking for like-minded people that want to make a really good income, that want to promote an awesome technology that every business owner needs. And if you don't have a business, this is a really good way to earn some extra money as a business. And a lot of people, I get a lot of phone calls. People say, I just dread going back to work. I don't love what I do for a living. I'm looking for something else. And they end up jumping on this, and they totally replace their income, and they fire their boss. and they never look back. And it's so much fun to watch people have success that are on my team. And what's cool about that is when you sign up with me, you get all my training. Okay, I put together a step-by-step training that will walk you through from start to finish how to do everything. You will get my mentorship if you need help or have any questions. I'm always there. If you know me, I answer, and if I don't answer, leave me a message and I always get back to you. I'm a type of person that I don't like to leave my signups high and dry because I do this for a living. This is what pays my bills. My newborn that was just born, this is what feeds him, and so that's why I treat this like a business, because it is. And everybody that jumps on board, pretty much everybody's seen success. I think the only way that you would not have success with this is if you just signed up and put it on the shelf and did nothing with it. That's really the only way I could see that happening. So anyways, you guys, I look forward to working with you. If you want to jump on board, if you want to start doing this for yourself and start living the life of your dreams, you guys, I don't have a job. I don't have a 9-to-5 job. I work from home. I've been doing that for years now, and I will never look back. It's just been awesome. I get to stay home with my wife. She doesn't work. I get to stay home with my 3 beautiful children. I get to see them grow up. I mean, what more could a guy ask for? And Goringless has provided that for me. And I know that it can provide it for you too, because I do it. So anyways, guys, jump on board. If you want to sign up with me, you can go to www.goringlesstexting.com. I'll go ahead and put that on the screen for you. You can also click the link right below this video in the description. That will take you to my website. That'll put you with me. I'll teach you the ropes. I'll show you how to do everything, take you by the hand. If you're a type of person that says, well, I'm not a very technical person, that's okay. You don't need to be, because I show you how to do everything. It's pretty simple, pretty easy to do. So I look forward to working with you. Get yourself signed up, and I'll see you on the inside. Have a great day.